English speaking course. Mr. Henry sits quietly in his small house in Toronto. A photo of his son, Michael, is on the table. Michael's face in the photo is smiling, very different from the deep sadness in Mr. Henry's eyes.
Michael, I really don't know what to do now. This place, everything reminds me of you.
Mr. Henry stands up and looks out the window. Outside, it is lightly raining.
Maybe it's time for me to find a more peaceful place. A place where this pain can't follow me.
Mr. Henry sighs and looks at the house one last time before making his decision. Mr. Henry chose a small, quiet town, hoping to find peace in his life.
This town looks peaceful. I hope I can start a new life here.
However, he had trouble because he only spoke a little English. Mr. Henry tried to talk to people, but it was hard. His English was not very good, and he felt alone.
Excuse me, where is the grocery store?
I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
Grocery store. Food.
The resident tried to help, but it was clear that communication would be a big challenge for Mr. Henry. However, an unexpected help knocks on Henry's door. Hello, my name is Emily. I live next door.
Hello.
I brought you some cookies. I made them myself.
Thank you, but I don't like sweets.
Oh, okay. Maybe you could try them.
Maybe.
Hi, Mr. Henry. You're early.
Yes.
I see you often in the garden. Seems like you love trees and gardening.
Yes, I do.
The weather today is so weird. It's making me feel grumpy.
Yes, it is. Oui. Today it may rain.
Wow, is that French? You speak French?
Yes, I do. I'm from Canada.
That's amazing. I had no idea. Maybe you can help me with my French?
I don't know. I'm busy.
Oh, okay. Tell me whenever you have free time.
Here, money.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Excuse me, sir. Did you pay for those fruits?
Yes, I pay.
So, may I see your receipt?
I pay at cashier. Money. Already give.
I'm sorry, but if you don't pay, you can't take the fruits.
I already pay. Here.
What's going on? This man is trying to take fruits without paying. Mr. Henry, can you show them the receipt?
Yes. Here. Receipt.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding, sir. It's okay, Mr. Henry. It's just a misunderstanding.
Thank you, Emily.
No problem. Are you buying things to make dinner?
Yes. And you can join. Si vous voulez.
Of course. Happy to join.
Great. Come by around 6 p.m.
I'll be there. Thank you for inviting me.
I hope you like the food. It's a recipe from Canada.
It's delicious. Thank you for making it.
Emily, I was thinking, since you're learning French, maybe I can help you with it.
Really? That would be amazing. Thank you, Mr. Henry.
And in return, Can you help me with my English?
Of course, I'd be happy to help.
But I'm worried. I'm too old to learn new things.
No, Mr. Henry, you're never too old to learn.
It's hard for me. My brain isn't as quick as it used to be.
That's okay. We can go slowly. It's about practice and patience.
You really think I can do it?
Absolutely. You've already helped me so much. It's my turn to help you.
All right, Emily. Let's do this together.
Great. We'll start tomorrow. It'll be fun, I promise. Hi, Henry. I brought you a book. It's called Learn English for Beginners.
Oh, thank you, Emily. That's very kind of you.
I have some tips that can help older adults learn English. Would you like to hear them?
Yes, please. I need all the help.
First, don't worry about making mistakes. It's normal and part of learning.
That's good to know. I always feel a bit shy about speaking.
Practice speaking as much as you can. You can talk to me or even yourself.
I'll try that. Any other tips?
Yes, try to read every day. Books, newspapers, or even labels can help you learn new words.
I like reading. That should be fun.
Also, listen to English radio or watch TV shows. It helps you get used to the sound of the language.
I enjoy watching TV. I'll start watching English shows.
Great! Flashcards can be helpful too. You can write new words on them and review them often.
Flashcards? That sounds interesting. I'll give it a try.
And don't forget to take breaks. Learning a new language can be tiring, so it's important to rest.
That's good advice. I don't want to get too tired.
Oh, and one more thing. You can listen to podcasts. There's a great one called LEP, Learn English Podcast. It's really helpful.
Podcasts? That sounds good. I'll definitely check out LEP, Learn English Podcast.
Also, try to set small, achievable goals. For example, learn 5 new words a day.
Sound manageable.
Use apps for language learning. Some are designed for beginners and can be very interactive.
I have a smartphone, so I can try using apps. Any recommendations?
Duolingo and Memrise are great for beginners. They make learning fun.
Right.
You're welcome. And don't forget to review what you've learned regularly. It helps to remember better.
Well, lot of things to do. You know, sometimes I feel like my age is a barrier to learning new things.
Oh, Henry, age is never a limit for learning. With the right method, anyone can learn at any age.
Really? But I feel like younger people learn faster.
It's true that young people might pick up new things quickly, but older learners have advantages too. You have life experience and patience.
That's a good point.
Also, older learners often have better study habits. You can set a regular schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key.
I can definitely do that. What else can help?
You can even find online communities to practice with others.
That's a great idea. It's nice to know I'm not alone in this.
You're definitely not alone. Many people of all ages are learning new things every day. It's all about finding what works best for you.
I feel more confident now. Maybe I can learn even more things besides English.
Of course, learning keeps our minds active and healthy. It's never too late to start something new.
You're right. I guess I've been holding myself back with negative thoughts and doubts.
It's normal to have doubts, but don't let them stop you. Believe in yourself and keep going. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.